Namaste everyone and welcome to Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. So today's class is all about the flow. In this flow I will be demonstrating beginner's version and Miss Rana, she'll be doing it the intermediate version. I hope you will like it. So if you like, do share, do comment, and yes, let's begin the class. So we start our class. In this flow I'll be showing it the beginner's version, and Miss Rana, she will be doing it in the intermediate level. So it is easy for the viewers to practice along. Let's stand on our feet with the feet together. Establish your posture well. Both your palms to your heart center. Inhale, we raise our arms up and give a good stretch to your spine. Try to raise your chin up, little bit back bend. Breathe out. We will bend forward. Now for those who are beginners, they can bend their knees, micro bend your knees, relax your belly, chest on your thighs. You can take the support of the blocks or the books. Relax your neck. Inhale, we raise our chin halfway coming up. And we move in a Dandasana. She will jump back and I will step back one by one in Dandasana. And then going to the Chaturanga, where I will be showing you the easy version. Fold, bend your knees and rest your chest and chin down. Inhale, I will be taking Bhujangasana. I will rest my knees, and as you can see, Miss Rana have kept her knees off the floor and I have kept my elbows slightly bent. Her elbows are straight. So that is Urdhva Mukha, that is upward facing dog, and I'm doing Bhujangasana. Exhale, tuck your toes and slowly moving up in downward facing dog, and we'll stay here for 3 breaths. Now those who find their hamstrings are so tight and sore, you can keep walking, keep moving your heels, press your heels down one by one and stay here. 1, breathe out. Push your chest, your belly, navel, draw your navel towards your thighs. We keep our head hanging down. Equal pressure on both the palms and check your shoulders. 2 and 3. Inhale, we raise our right leg up. Breathe in, raise your right leg up in 3 leg downward facing. Fold your knee and fix it between your palms. So I'll be showing you the beginner's version and Rana will show the intermediate version, like how you have to practice. So let's go in upward, moving your both the hands up in warrior 1. You can rest your back heel down. Yes, now for those people who are beginners, they cannot do it. They can just keep it back leg like this on the toes. If you cannot, please place your foot flat. You can come on your back toe and you can practice for few days. And once you get the alignment, you can press your heels down. And then breathe out from here to warrior 2. So we move our both the hands. You have to rest your back heel down and you check your front knee and ankle in one line. Both the hands are parallel. As you can see, it's in the shoulder line. And you have to sit on your front knee and look on your front palm, that is your right hand. Now breathe in. We move in a reverse. We slowly bend behind, taking your right arm on the top, and you fold your left arm. Either you can fold or you can place it like this on your thigh and look up to the sky. Breathe. And after breathing out, you move forward in rectangle triangle pose. Extended triangle pose, sorry. You can fix your palms down. Now for those people who cannot touch the ground, you can use the block or use the books, whatever, bunch of books holding, and you can stretch your arms up above your head. And if you notice your hips, try to push your hips down. You're forming like a diagonal. Stretch your arms and breathe. Breathe out. You will first relax your hands and then turn, place your both the palms on the ground. We turn our back leg on the toes. We slide our right leg up in 3 leg downward facing. exhale, relax and breathe out. Stay here for 3 breaths. Again, you can walk, move your heels. If you find your legs are very sore and tight, you can give a little shake. Shake your legs. Breathe. 3, inhale, exhale. 2 and 1. Breathe in. We raise our left leg up. So I'm showing the beginner's version. In case if you find your heel cannot touch the ground, you can bend your knee and practice the same. Breathe out, fold your knee and fix your foot in between your palms. In Warrior 1, she will place her heels down. As you can see, front heel and her center of her foot is in one line. And moving your arms up. And I am showing the beginner's version where you keep your back toes stretch down on the floor. And your upper body has to be in the center. We will face it in front. And breathe in, lungs open. Breathe out from here to Warrior 2. So I need to shift, I need to fix my feet down flat so that I can balance in Warrior 2, Veer bhadrasana. As you can see, both the arms are in one line and I look in front, we look on our left palm, fingers, mid finger. Breathe in from here to reverse, moving in a reverse stretch or bend. You can either place your palm on your thigh or you can fold your arms. As you can see our posture, you have to sit on your front thigh. Breathe and then exhale. From here we move to the extended triangle pose. Either you can place your palms down completely or use the block, and then you can stretch your hands up over and above. We'll not place our hands in front. We'll try to move it behind your ears and look. Slowly start raising your head up. Keep pushing your hips down. Waist trying to push it down. Then breathe out. Relax your arms first. And then we turn our toes. We rest our palms and we slide our front heel to the 3-legged downward facing. I'm bending my knee just to show you that you can practice this way. And then exhale. We rest our both the feet on the ground. We give a little massage and you will rest in child's pose. Let go. This is the first transition and you can rest your head, shoulders dropping down. We relax our fingers and our wrists. You can spend like 5 breaths here. Relax 5, or if you want, interlock your fingers. Let's interlock our fingers from the back, and you can move your shoulders side to side. You can give a light massage to your arms in case if you have a very stiff shoulders or weak arms. Rotate your wrists. 3, 2 and 1. Thank you guys for watching us, and yes, Mr. Anand, do you want to say something?
Yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Try and do it for a couple of rounds maybe and see how you feel. And maybe follow me on Instagram.
Yes.
Happy Go Balance. We can
Yes.
put the link below.
Link below. Okay. So see you again in my next class. Namaste. Stay blessed.